Hi, I wanted to go over the Piktochart web tool, and this is, I already have it up. I already have my account up. And what I like about Piktochart is that a lot of it is free. These are all of the Piktochart I've created. As you can see, that's quite a lot. Of course, they want you to upgrade, but you don't have to. One thing I like about it is you can see all these different choices and you can copy them. So if you find a format, if you really like to tinker with how it looks, then just copy it, especially if you're teaching a different class. It's really not going to be very noticeable if you're just copying it. So to create a new one, you go up here to create new, and there's a few different options. We're really doing an infographic one. And it's set up very similar to PowerPoint. You can change the background, you can add title boxes and things like that. So one thing I like is, of course, there's this, very simple boxes for whatever you would say here. If you're going to create one to go over the portfolio project, you would do that, and then they have all these nice frames that you can use and then type on that, just to kind of help distinguish. There's a lot of choices. And then there's body text, again, very simple if you're just going to do paragraphs. And then backgrounds, there's many choices. Some of them they have kind of simple, and then some that are very busy. And then back to this menu, you can just add a block and then have each background be different, things like that. I just find it very easy to navigate around. You can add charts and videos, some of the things you have to upgrade to do, but as I said, I haven't had to upgrade them just for making, very simple text-based things. When you complete it, you want to save it, and then, so I want you to save it. And then to share it, you can actually download it. I prefer to actually embed it, so I'm going to walk through that. There's an option right here, only I can view the sharing, and then anyone can view. You have to do the anyone can view in order to embed it, and it doesn't. People can't change the document. So you click on embed. You can change the width. Usually 800's a bit big. And I do 600, but you can just test it out, and then you just copy and then go into, say your announcements or within the week's thread, and then you just embed it right there. So click on the HTML, copy it, and then you'll kind of see this yellow box. And then once you submit it, it will show. It does not email well, so if you're emailing it to students, I would create a link to it just so that they can kind of see what it is you're sharing. But I really like this tool. I like the simplicity of how easy it is to use, as well as, it's just kind of fun to play around with different things, and it's very eye-catching for students, and just really, really looks nice as an announcement. Thanks.